sir.
we started working on one sec. Yeah. Then after that, what did we do? We started working on front end one by one. So I'll have a recap for you, whatever we have learned so far. So
Yes, sir.
first one is to buy the domain and hosting. We need sorry. If you have to develop a website without a coding platform, there are good number of platforms available. WordPress being a very oldest platform and very standard platform, we're using even today. Now, to
Yes, sir.
design the WordPress website, there are few things that is required. First one is we have to buy the domain name where people can look for the domain name on Google. Second one is we need a hosting, which is a space given to your website where all your files get stored. Once
Yes,
your
sir.
domain and hosting is bought, you have to install the WordPress. And to install the WordPress, it happens through your hosting account. We call it as cPanel. So once your hosting account access you have to log into your hPanel or cPanel. You have to install your WordPress, and after you install the WordPress, you will get a dashboard like this. To log into your dashboard, there are two ways. One is type your domain name completely, put a forward slash at the end, and type wp-admin. It will ask you for the username and the password. Type that username and the password there on the screen, and you will be here. Now, move your mouse here, right click, and put it in a new tab. You'll be able to see your front end of your website. Okay. Now, this is how your website is right now. Okay. This is how your website is right now, and this is your backend. Now, in backend, what are the things that is required? First thing, we should not skip either backend or even the front end. Nothing can be skipped. So in backend, what are the things that we have? So first one is below dashboard, we have updates. Quite frequently, WordPress requires an update, just like your phone. Now it could be the plugins, it could be the theme, or it could be in the WordPress themselves. Okay, can you see this? So we will have an update quite frequently. So it's always advisable. Come here, click mark that, and click on update. So once your website gets updated, once all your updates are done, then we have post. Now post is something that we want to give the information to our audience. Now here we are using a post for the purpose of writing a story, a blog. Now the blog, even today you might feel, sir, ಎಲ್ಲ chat gpt use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, people are using a good number of ai. Do you think even ai, I mean, do you think even blog works today? Answer is yes. Because ChatGPT or any AI tools, the content that they have got till now is the content created by human like you and me. Now I am an expert in my industry. You are an expert in your industry. Yes, we are taking the support of ChatGPT and YouTube and Google, but whatever we have seen in our life, that case study, even ChatGPT cannot get that. So for that, I always advise my student to write blog and publish it on your internet. Okay. Now, because of this blog is published on your website, in future we will be learning SEO, for which this blogs will be very helpful for you. Okay. So to summarize, post is required, blogs are required. You have to write a title, write a proper content, publish it two times towards your right side. Then we have media, basically the files, the images. So all this option, whatever you're seeing right now on your screen, this will be shown up on your website. Then we have pages. The pages are the static pages which we don't change it quite frequently, but blogs, yes, if your purpose is SEO, you change it quite frequently. Now pages are like home page. The home page का purpose यही है, like it's the summary of your entire website. Then we have about us. So about us will be talking about you, your establishment, your team, your vision, mission, core values, testimonial, your branches, everything. It's about you and your company. Then we have services, or you have programs if you are into a college or tech platforms, courses, or products. It could be anything. So that's your major category. Under that, we have subcategory or sub pages. Now, let's say I'm into car sales, I sell varieties of cars. So I'll just put that under the car section. Then after that, I have a blog section where I write the story. Why should people buy this product? How to use this? If there is a problem arises, how to troubleshoot it? To write all of this, you should have a space called post, that is blog. Then at last we have a contact us page where people can reach your business. Now in back end, whatever you're seeing towards your left side, we have to do it only on back end. We will not be able to do it at the front end at all. Okay, so everything has to be done at the back end. So once your pages are done, then we have an option called comments. It's the place where people can come here and drop the comments. The comments are given by the people across the globe, including the including the robotics comments. So for this, you should have written good number of blogs. So once your blogs are getting popular, people across the globe, they come here and drop the comment. Now it's in your hand whether to, can you see this? We have approve, reply, quick edit, edit, spam, and trash. It's in your control to approve it or disapprove it. Projects, we are not learning projects because whatever we are doing in projects, we will be doing it in the pages section itself. So projects are not used anymore. Then we have e-commerce. Forget about it now. I'll explain you once we start the e-commerce website. Then if you come directly, we have appearance. Under appearance, we have themes. So themes on your mobile phone, we have themes. What is the purpose? It changes the color, it changes the appearance, the look of the website, the look of the mobile phone. It changes the fonts, correct? The animation. So that's the same work the themes does here. The theme which we are using is Divi. So Divi is a paid theme. It's also the website builder. It helps you to construct the website. It also, the we have the colorful themes, like sir said, we have the templates available on the platform. Then we have menus here. That's what we did. Under menus, we have three kind of menus. One is your primary, another one is secondary, third one is your footer menu. So primary menu will be this one, home, about us, and everything. The black color one which you're seeing above at the top is called secondary menu. And if you come to the bottom of the page, you will have a footer menu here. Okay, so there are three kind of menus that is available. Then once this it is done, then we have plugins. So plugins has various purpose. All we have to do is click on add plugin at the top and search for the plugin that you are looking for. So let's say you want a chatbot, you want a WhatsApp integration, you want to take a backup of your website, you want to secure your website, you don't want people to hack your website, or it could be a e-commerce, or it could be a SEO. For everything, we have a support of plugin today. We don't need a programmer, we don't need a coder today. Okay, then after that we have users. So basically, I'm the owner. I want to give the access to someone else. Now let's say me and another person, Shankar. I want to give Shankar the access. Now I can give him a managerial access, or I can give him the editorial access, or I can give him the complete access of my website, that is admin. I will give the equal importance to him. So what we both will do is, today I will sit on three pages and construct it, and he will also sit on another three pages and construct it. So we can share. So going forward, I'll be busy on with my business stuffs. So he will be handling my website solely. Okay. So those access you people will be able to give under your users. Then we have tools. So tools is basically to check how your website is performing, whether your website is good, if someone is hacking or not. To check that, you have to come here and click on site health over here. Okay, right now all of our site health is amazing. If there is someone who is trying to hack your website, you will get an update on your Gmail directly. So this is the plugin which we use to take the backup all-in-one WP migration. Then we have settings. Under settings, the first one is general settings, where you will be able to add your website title, and you'll be able to add your tagline, and what else? We have reading here. Reading, how people reads your website. You can make as a static website, home page as home, blog page as blog. And we have privacy, where you people can create a privacy policy for your website, and you can put it on your footer. At last, we have DV, where you people will be able to add your logo here, and back to top button. Those settings you will be able to do. Remember, without backend, you can't work on your front end. Similarly, without front end, backend is useless. Fine. So both are equally important. So once you have done with your backend completely, we will come back. Right now, it's not necessary, but going forward, we have to use backend and front end parallelly. How? Now let's say I'm asking you to design a landing page, or I'm asking you to design another page of your on your website. How do you do that? You have to come to the back end. In front end, you will not be able to create a pages. Clear? So once that is done, you will jump into your front end. So front end, whichever page that you people are planning to construct, so go to that page first. Okay. Then after you go there, all you need to do is click on Enable Visual Builder at the top. So once you click on Enable Visual Builder, there are a lot of content over here. First thing is we have to understand the section, rows, and columns. Just give me 1 second, please.
Hello. So I'm having a small doubt. So previously and present we are using Divi as a theme node, sir.
Mhm.
So if we want another theme, so how can we do that? So can we use the templates that are present for our WordPress?
Okay, so good question. So let's understand this. Now there are two things that we have to consider. One is theme. Themes means the templates that is available. Second one is builder. Builder means which help you to construct the website. Now you will come to the front end. Can you see we have website builder here, exit visual builder or enable visual builder, where it helps you
Yes.
helps you to construct the website. Now DV is one such platform which helps you to construct the website. Now, her question was if I go to this appearance, I have themes here which is pre installed. If I click
Hmm.
on add new theme, I get ample of themes here. Her question is this. Now, can I use any of this and construct a website? Answer is yes,
Yes.
but you will not get the exactly what you're seeing on your screen. They will just give you the layout. Okay, now how am I supposed to construct them? So for that we have Elementor, or you can go with WP Bakery, or you can go with any other website builder. There are plenty of website builder available.
So Elementor is a paid one, no, sir.
They
So
have free
we can't use that.
both. Okay.
Yeah,
So
sir.
you people will be able to construct that website using Elementor also. But the difference between DV and Elementor is this is handy. But the people who use Elementor, Elementor is free and they have a paid version also. Under free version, they you all have very limited features in it. But if you go for a paid version, you can do miracles in it, just like your DV. Okay, so you
Okay.
people decide.
So here we can say like Elementor and Divi both are same, but similar brands related. I mean similar softwares.
Elementor is a website builder. DV is also the website builder.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir. Got it. I got it.
So once you come to your front end, we have section, rows, and columns, and we have other columns here. That is your modules. Okay. So whenever you are constructing a website, you have to click on this plus button, and it takes you to this place. So you have regular, you have specialty, you have full width. Now you can ask me, things are pretty easy in templates. Why are we learning it? Now if you don't understand this, tomorrow you want to do some changes, whom will you approach? You can't approach a designer. You can't you do it yourself. So these are the thing which is mandatory. If you learn this, installing a template and working on the template is pretty easy. Now let's take an example. I'll show you the difference between two. See, this page is empty right now. I'm installing a template directly. I, you don't do it. Concentrate now. Okay, so the second option says choose a pre-made layout. Now this is a template. Now I'll come down here. Now there are good collections of template which is available. Now let's assume I'm building a website for okay, for pet trainer. I'm going to design a website and I'm going to use this layout. Now this is a template. Okay, so there is no wrong in using it. It looks amazing. It gives a pleasant feeling for you. Now my question is, I want you to add a contact form here. How do you do that? I want you to redirect a link, for example, this link to another page. How do you do that? I want you to change the background color of this, putting in yellow, and when someone is moving the mouse here, it should be in red color. I'll repeat again. Now, right now, this is in yellow, but when someone moves the mouse here, it should become a red color. How is that possible? So the answer is we should be, I mean, we don't know anything, correct? So for that, what we are supposed to do, we have to enter into the front end, understand the rows, columns, modules, understand the each modules. Then we will move into the design section. Once design section is done, then you can inside the template and you can start developing your website. So on the other day, we came till here where we have added this text also. That is mark you using the chat GPT. We have done that. So let's continue from here. I will go with single column again. We have done with accordion. So what is accordion? It's a FAQ. So you will put one question and you will write the answer to that. So FAQ is basically about your business. So what is the price? Where are the branches? Do we have any offer? Do we have any EMI options? Whatever the question that people regularly asks you. So create a FAQs, use a proper English, a simple English, design it, come here, add questions and put answers. Then we have audio. So basically, you can add something about your business again. You can record an audio file and you can add it over here. Just like how did it for a podcast, the same files you people will be able to add on your audio. The third option on your screen, we have bar counters. So bar counters is basically it will give you the indication like how best was your performance and in 2029, in 2028, in 2027, in 2026. Like a prediction you can use or previous year's performance also you can use. I mean, there are multiple purpose. So this will be your bar counter. Yeah, this is your bar counter. You think what has to be done? See, I have written as happy clients, branches, and other things I have left it empty. I mean, you people can add it, whatever you feel. It's just an indication. See, website designing, as the name says, it's a designing part. How you can give your website the best look and feel and ambience, you people can try it out. Then we have blogs. So once your, let's come down here. So once your bar counter is done, then we have blogs where all your content will be portrayed over there. Then we have blurb. Okay, blurb is the combination of an image and some text, or it could be an icon with that some text. Okay. Then we had buttons where call me, email me. Now these are basically clickable on your mobile devices. If your laptop device has enabled the calling facility, SMS facility, even those can be integrated over here. Then we have code button, call to action. Now this is your call to action, the Christmas offer which I've given at the background. So that's your call to action where you are asking people to come and take an action on your website. Then we have circle counter. So you will have a circle and you'll have the number here and it will be animated by default. Then we have code. So the code, the purpose which I have used over here is to embed the map. So wherever you hear this word called embed or HTML file, you can copy and paste it. See, I have shown one example where you can embed your map. You can also embed your YouTube video. You can also embed something like this. So create some content and you can upload. So till here we did it on a previous class, I think on Thursday. So let's continue after this. Now we have comments, so ignore it for now. So basically the comments are the comment that you people receive for your blog. At the back end we have comment section, isn't it? Where is it? Here. So this comment will be shown at the front end, and if it is possible, go ahead adding your comment. If not, I recommend you people not to add that. Then we have contact form. Right. So contact form, I'm deleting everything. I'll add something from scratch. So contact form ka matlab like people will come to your website. They have read your website. They feel your website is good. the content that you are conveying is good and I want to get enrolled, or I want to buy the product, or I want to inquire more. It could be anything. Now we have to collect the customer's demographic. How will we do that? So first I'm deleting everything and I'm adding from scratch. Concentrate now. So you will click on add new field. You will get a field like this. Now here first question will be name. Okay. So name, and in the title also give the name. So field id is for the background process, and your title will be what your user sees. So I recommend give the same thing here. So copy and paste it, simple. So let's use this arrow mark at the top and we'll go back, and I'll ask one more question, and it will be email. I need the customer's data where I can do my email marketing going forward. Email done. So I'll use this back button. The third question I'll ask, probably the customer phone number. Okay. Now, why do we have a contact form here? Because to get the quality conversion, people will trust your website. They will fill their data. They have the inquiry done. So your sales team or you have to talk to them over the call, help them understand your product a little more better, which is not there on your website, and close the sale. So I asked three questions for now: name, email, phone number. Fine. I'll ask more questions little more later. So once these three questions are asked, please come down. So you are collecting name, email, phone number of your customer. Come little down. Here we have the title. So what is title? Now here it's empty, isn't it? So I'll write something which will entice people to click on it. So I'll write drop your details and get 10% off. Okay. So depending on your product, try to give an offer so that people will fill the data. Then we have a success message. So usually once you fill up any data, it says thank you for filling the form, so we will get in touch with you, something like that, right? So I'll write thanks, we will get in touch. Okay, but where is the scene? Once people fill out this data, then you will be able to see this success message. Come down. We have a submit button here. Now, can you see we have submit? Now, submit, you can make it as probably download. Okay, so instead of leaving it as submit, you can change the name, or you can write send. Okay, so whatever you want to get, the default button is submit. You can change however you want to, so I'm leaving it as submit. Then we have email. Now this is the place where you're going to collect the prospects data. Click on this. Now people are filling this information, that is name, email id and phone number. Where does it get stored actually? We have to give a space to get stored, alva. So I'll come here, I'll give my email id. So Victor at the rate Inspyr.in. Simple. Okay. You don't have to write anything in the message pattern, leave it empty. So you'll write the email address where you want to collect the data. Come down. In message pattern, I'll explain later what you're supposed to do. Okay. Then redirect spam protection link. I'll explain a little more later. For now, add a name, email ID, phone number, click on the text, gives the title, success message, and submit button. Click on email and just give your email. Nothing else you will do. We will do a little bit later. Once these three things are done, click on the tick mark and control yes. Fine. Now go to your incognito window and fill this details like a customer. Don't put your name, put your friend's name in your incognito window. Check whether you are able to receive the data in your inbox. Please do this. Let me know once it is done. Then we will move on. Over to you people now. So this content form, once we have created this details, so once a audience are filling the data, it gets stored onto your Gmail or whichever email that you people get. Now let's understand what else we have under this. Let's go back to the settings. The first option over here is name, and we have a gear icon under name. Can you see that? Click on that. Anytime this fields are changeable. Come little down, we have here field options. Just below that field name, field id and title, we have field options. Okay, let's click on this, and the first option under that we have input field. What does that mean? People can fill anything that they want. It could be numeric, it could be alphabets, but can we set a condition? Yes. Come down slowly, here we have allowed symbol. So instead of all, I'm going to click on this drop down. I'm going to make it as A to Z. So reason, names will be usually in numeric, correct? I mean, sorry, the alphabet, not numeric. Now for that, I'm going to make it as alphabet over there, A to Z. Okay. So set this so that even if in case accidentally if people are filling some wrong data, okay, so they get a warning there. So let's go back. Then what we have is we have email. Click on this gear icon. Under field ID and title, we have field options. Click on this drop down. First option we have input field. And we have email field over here. That's your second option. Select this. So in this, there is a syntax. Victor at the rate. That at the rate is highlighted. Okay, at the rate yahoo.com, the dot. So at the rate and dot, this syntax should be there. Okay, this syntax should be there to not to get errors. Okay, this is mandatory. Let's go back. We have phone number here, the same options, field options. It will be again input field. We have other things I'll explain a little bit later. Come little down. Here we have allowed symbols. Phone number, it will be numbers only. But there is a character limitations. Minimum 10 characters, maximum 13. Why? People will add this option, right? Plus 91 followed with 10-digit phone number. Fine. So that's the length criteria I'm giving. Anything less than this, it gives a warning. Anything more than this, it gives a warning. Suppose if it is the data that you're going to collect is from Western countries, you can add two more here, 15 characters. Okay, go back. So we have done with name, email, and phone number. Now I want to ask. Now let's say I have three branches. I want to know which branch people are interested in. Okay, so I'll just write branch. Click on field options. Instead of input field, click on this drop down. I will make a checkbox. Okay, I'll explain text area a little bit later. So checkbox means people will tick mark here. Okay, so the first branch over here is um, USA, Malaysia, Singapore. So in this, what happens is checkboxes. People can pick one or many or everything. Okay, so they have this options. Clear? So branches done. Then I'm going to click on the next plus button. Probably I'm going to add payment. I'm not going to link a payment gateway for now, but I'm just showing this option. Click on this field option below. Input field. We have radio button this time. So radio button means people can't pick multiple. People have to pick only one. They can't make the payment in multiple things, isn't it? So I'll write UPI, cash, no money. Okay. So people can pick only one option from this. They can't pick the multiple options. Add more. If you want to click, if you want to add more, click on this plus button. Clear? This is how your content form will be generated. Let's go back. I click on next plus button. I type course. So you don't have to use all the options. I'm just exploring the option that is available there. I'm going to pick a drop down. So drop down is you'll get an arrow mark here towards your right side, and then these options will be there. What did I select? Course, right? So MBA, BCom, BBA, MSc. Okay. So I'll click on this tick mark, and people will come here. They will click on this drop down. They will get to see the options. Okay. The last option is usually audience will not everyone. Few people will be interested in writing a story, a message to you. Okay. So click on this message option. Click on the field option. So we have learned input field, we have learned email, text area. So what is text area? You'll get a big text area like this. People can write a story. People can write or ask what they have it in your mind. Clear? Now these are the ways where you can use your contact form. After that, come down little more. Here we have an option called redirect. Okay. So first day, I think I made it to add some elements here, correct? If not, add now. So you have designed a brochure, right? A bifold, trifold brochure and all we designed using Canva. Now download that. It should be in PDF format only. Come download that, come here and upload it. Okay. So I'm assuming this is my PDF. I'm assuming click on this. Now for your PDF which you're going to upload, you just need to single click on it and you'll get a email, you'll get a link towards your right side just like this. Correct. So I'll copy this. I'll come here under redirect. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to fill this. So what happens is once the people are filling the data, I have to give them the brochure. Now let's say people are joining for your BCom course. Now you're asking the details, name, email ID, phone number, all these questions. And once people fill it out, you have to give them something for free or they have to get the brochure for you from you, correct? Now this way you'll be able to give them the brochure. Okay. Now here we have 11 place for spam protection. I mean, people are not do really use it apart from government organizations. So you can turn this off. If you want to keep it, go ahead, keep it. The last one is we have background, which we have learned from the day one. So these are the color options that you have. You can set it across. Clear? Once it is done, tick mark, save it. Please go to incognito window and fill the form, and you will be able to see the responses over there. Over to you. Let me know once it is done. Start working on it. Give me a thumbs up, okay? If you people have completed it, give me a thumbs up. Okay.
Email.
Mhm.
Uh, I don't know how much of it is ready in this. Should I go to designs and then start that buttons?
No, till now see at the top we have three options. One is content, design, and advanced. We have not
We're only
worked on design till now. We are working only on content. So content
yeah,
is something a customer can see at the front end. So here you have asked just three questions. That is name, email, and a message. Now, if you want to ask more questions, you just need to scroll up, go up.
yeah,
No, there it's huh.
yeah.
So yeah, go yeah. So we have a message there. So below message you can ask another question. Click on by clicking on the plus button. So here we have scroll up please. Click on field options. Yes. So move your mouse towards your right. I mean hold that uh, box, the pop up towards your right side. Hold that field. Scroll up little bit. Yes. So first you have to ask questions like phone number, email ID, other
Checkbox.
questions just like I asked. Then after that you will be able to ask this, use this option that is checkbox, drop down, and other options.
Checkbox. Yeah. This one you told something like USA.
That example I gave. Now suppose you can use it for branches. You can use it for menus also. Let's say you are running a restaurant, you can use it as a menu also.
Okay. So yeah, it came here.
Yes.
Again, new field options. Yeah. That's the email checkbox, and this is the radio button. Is
So the
we are
difference
not.
between radio button and this one checkboxes is checkboxes people can pick many. Radio button people can pick just one.
Okay, so select drop down, which we did, sir.
Drop down. It's again you are giving certain options to people.
Okay, okay. So where did this appear, sir? Hmm.
I didn't
I
get it.
clicked. I clicked this.
No, you are adding n number of forms. I don't. I'm not understanding the purpose. Add one form. Under one form, you ask name, email, phone number, courses, payment method, and what else you can ask. When are you planning to join? Such questions you can ask. Delete all the other contact form. I seriously don't understand. Why did you create so many forms? For one single page, one form is sufficient. Okay. Now delete that one also. Scroll up. Little bit, little more. Not this one. Yes, yes, delete this part also. Now create a one contact form and fill all the other details. Single column. No, what you did it right. Okay, continue. Go with regular. Single column.
I have to go to accordion.
No.
No, 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 not accordion.
It's
Sorry, sir.
already done. It's contact form which we are working right now. Yes. Now we have name, email, message. Now apart from that, if you have any questions that you want to ask or you want to collect, ask them.
Phone numbers.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I clicked yes. Yeah. Next one. Next is the title, sir.
Huh.
Title is
So that's
hello.
the second question. So name, email ID, phone number ಆಯ್ತು. Apart from that, if
Email.
you have any other question that you want to collect, the data that you want to collect, please ask that also.
This is success message which you told.
After filling the form, it's a success message.
This is submit now.
ಹಾ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ, you will see that. Come towards, come
I'll
down.
take this, sir.
No, don't do. Come down little bit. ಹಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, submit now.
Okay, sir.
Then we have email. Put your email ID where you can collect the customer's data towards your left side.
Yeah, phone number. Yeah, yeah, I got it. I got it now. Okay, then this is yeah we should message pattern is
Not required. Message pattern, leave it off and click on
redirect.
redirect and turn that redirect on. Suppose if you're giving them a form, you can add that.
Can I add my website, sir?
No problem. I mean, it's you're in the website only. No, see now. So wait, hold it. Understand this. Now people come to your website, then they fill the form. After they fill the form, where should the people go? Again to your website?
No, no.
Correct. So
Yeah,
either you can give them, send them to your Instagram account, you can send them to your YouTube account, or you can send them to your contact us page, anywhere which is useful to the people. Logic is very simple. Our user is ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. We should not leave him just like that.
yeah, yeah. Sure, sir. Then what I'll do is I'll try to put this.
Mhm.
So why is the website so slow to load, sir?
Which website, sir?
Our school website, Frank Public School, which we got it done recently.
Probably it
It's
could be the The one which we are working right now.
No, sir. No, sir. This is a new website. What I think you can see the screen also.
Okay, this one, huh? No, it could be because of the server, or it could be the weight of the website also.
Wait, is but this is not at all user friendly. Means like it's not mobile friendly
Okay, but actually
because
website
it's
is good, but we'll optimize it.
yes, sir. Yes. Now contact us. If I click, it is just taking a lot of time so that I can cut this web link and paste it there. That's what is my idea, sir.
No, don't do that. Instead, you can work on the same domain itself. See,
Okay,
whatever
sir.
the
Fine.
person has done, he has used Elementor as his. See, we are working on DB. He has worked on Elementor, and website is actually good. Little fine tuning we have to do. Sako.
Okay, sir. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು URL ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು sir?
Um, YouTube for now.
Yes, sir. Then spam protection, which we have to go, sir.
We can turn it off, sir. Now.
Yeah, turned it off. Yes, sir. Link.
Link nothing. So after all this, save it. Go to your incognito window and fill it like a customer.
Control Shift N, no, sir. Invite.
Correct. Control Shift N.
So, but I don't see contact form, sir.
You might have not saved it. Go to your normal window and save it.
This is the contact form, sir.
Save it. Control S.
Yeah, here. Yes. No, it's not coming, sir.
Which page you're working? Home page. No, click on home page.
Yeah.
Here is your contact form.
So if you submit it directly goes to the
Now go to
YouTube.
your inbox. Yeah, that's what the redirection you have given. No. So after people filling the form, it goes to
Yes, sir.
your. Yes. Now you have received the data also.
Yeah.
Got it. So we'll continue after this.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. You're welcome, sir. So next we have done with countdown timer on the other day. Even divider is also done. Email opt-in. So email opt-in means, it's a outdated one, but I'll tell you what is it. Now you want to do a email marketing. Now for that you need customer email ID. Email opt-in. People are opting in to receive the email from you. That is email opt-in. But if you pick this, you don't have to do it today, but understand this. So once you pick the email opt-in option, we have email accounts. Now, in previous case, we gave our personal email ID where I will be able to collect the customer data. Correct? That's what I said. But in this, we need a third party platform. Can you see these many CRMs are there? We have to connect with any of this platform, then only we'll be able to work. Okay, when are we doing this? So soon after you complete your website designing, we have a topic called email marketing. Under that, I'll teach you how to link it. We will be learning MailChimp here. Okay, so I'll teach you how to integrate your MailChimp with your website. But for now, leave it empty. So once a user is filling this data, the data gets stored on your CRM, that is email CRM. So for today, you don't have to do anything. Then this filterable portfolio is part of your project, which we saw at the back end. So backendly, that day I told you how to create projects, right? So we are not learning that. So project means a previous project, upcoming project, ongoing project. If you would have created that project, that will be shown up under portfolio. But instead, we are showing it under a pages itself. So portfolio, filterable portfolio, we are not learning. So the next option what we have is gallery, the self-explanatory one. So the collection of images. Now you will decide which are the images you want to showcase there. So that you will select it, click on select. Only those will be shown as images. I mean the gallery like this. Okay, click on tick mark. Then we have heading, just the title. Okay, so you want to write something here. Now let's say best places for your dog. Best place for your pet. Okay, so this title you can place just above this. Makes sense? Best place for your pet, and you can see some gallery here. Correct? That's your heading. The next, what we have here is icon. As the name say, just a single icon, and you can give a link if you want. For example, let's say I'm going to connect it to WhatsApp. Understand this? Come down, we have a link. So on that day I gave you the code, right? HTTPS two times forward slash w8.me forward slash put your number here. Correct? So that's your WhatsApp link. So what happens is people will come here, they will click, they go to your WhatsApp directly, they will interact with you. Now I'm just giving an example. There are plenty of icons available here. For Chuma you give. For example, you want to give downward arrow mark. Okay, you can do this like this, just for designing, guys. So let's come down here. I'll click on next plus button, single column icon. Then we have image. So adjust a single image. Okay, so click on this gear icon, settings icon. You will pick up an image which you have designed. Come here and upload it. So let's come back here, click on this plus button. We have login. So login is basically the credentials of you and your users. So for you it will work for now. We have now, how do you enter into your dashboard? You will put your domain name www.yourdomain.com forward slash wp hyphen admin. Now once you do that, you have your username and the password below. Correct? You have your username and the password. Once you type it, you'll be able to log in. Fine, that's your credentials here. The moment you put your details, it will take you to the dashboard. So map we have already added. Now this map is a paid one. I repeat again, map we have already added in the form of code. This map is a paid one, so don't use it. Then we have menus. So we have primary, we have created secondary, we have created footer. Now that you can add it here. So since we have already have the primary menu at the top, probably you can create another menu, secondary menu here. Now you can ask me, even secondary menu is at the top. In such cases, you can create another special menu at the back end. Come here and add it. I repeat again, we have already have three places, that is primary, secondary and footer. I have a special menu which I create separately, and I can come here and add it. This is how it will be shown. Okay, I'll stop here, I'll pause here. Please practice this, let me know once it is done, then we will move on. Over to you people now. Understand the purpose of each module. Simple.
So this is after the contact login form, sir.
Work one by one. So contact us Aitala, then we have countdown timer and other things. Add one by one. Divider we have. Explore everything.
Right now, what we should do, sir, after contact form?
Explore all the modules. Create
Okay.
section and explore all the modules till now, whatever I have thought.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Ahiti.
I've been receiving mail for the contact form, but the thing is, when I go to the mail, I have gave info at the rate srisahiti.com, where we have created previously for hosting, right? So that mail I have given. So when I receive a mail, it is going to junk, and meanwhile, I could able to see the address from Sahi at the rate. Sahi in the sense I have put the name, that one. So, open brackets and mail at the rate srisahiti.com. What does that mean, sir? I'm just sharing the screen once
Yeah.
so that you can able to see. Yeah, sir. I have received a mail, but it went to junk here.
Mark it as not
So,
for 1 or 2, then automatically you will receive it in the inbox.
so how to do, sir?
Do it in your Gmail. We have link.
Amazing.
Remember,
Yeah, yeah. This is the first one I have received. So, I think here I haven't received. No, sir. I think this is the folder I have created for that mails.
open your
But
spam.
here I haven't received. Directly in the hostinger itself I have received. Mail.hostinger.com.
Open your spam.
Yeah, this is the one.
Go to your Gmail and open your spam.
Yes, sir. This is the spam.
Open your
I've
Gmail and open your spam.
Gmail. Okay.
Click on more towards your left.
Yeah.
Click on your spam. Check whether you have received it or not.
No, sir.
Reload the page again at the top, the entire page. Okay. Check in your promotions once.
Yeah, this is the spam folder itself.
Check your promotion once.
Promotions.
Go to your inbox.
Okay.
You can't see your social promotions. Click on drop down then towards your left side.
No,
Left
sir.
left side. At the bottom, please come down. Not come down slowly. Click on that more option.
Okay.
Not that one, the first one. The more which is there.
Yeah, yeah.
Check where is your promotion. Okay, do one thing. In the search bar, search for promotion.
Okay.
Yes. Did you receive it
No,
here?
sir. No, sir.
Okay. Check for social. Search in the search option, search for social category.
No, sir.
Okay, go to incognito and fill the data again. And show me your professional email ID where you have synchronized.
Yeah, sir.
Here in this Gmail itself, I'm asking.
In the Gmail.
Show me your professional email ID. Where have you synchronized it?
Yeah, this one,
Click
not
on
this.
that.
Yeah, this one, sir.
Click on that.
Yeah.
1 second, stay there. Okay. Try go to incognito and fill it again. Put someone else's name.
Okay. It is redirecting to my YouTube channel. That's fine. I've put the number restriction, sir. Up to 10 only it should take so that it can't exceed. కాదమ్మా నాది కాదు. Yeah, here it is redirecting. When I submit. Yeah, I have received here,
Go to your
but
Gmail.
it is going to junk.
1 sec. Go to your. Let this page be as it is. Go to your Gmail
Okay,
once.
okay. I think, sir, we can't get in two ways, no, sir. When even though we have synchronized, I think we should get here also. Parallelly, we can check, no, sir, as
Click on
discussed in
spam.
before sessions.
Scroll up towards your left and click on spam.
No, sir. Here I am not getting. Directly, I am getting
Go
to
to your
this
professional
hostinger
email
itself.
ID. Go to your
Sir.
hosting your email once.
Okay.
Stay there for a minute. So everything is going for a change. Okay. Click on that new message from Sri Sahiti. Right side.
Yeah, this one. Right, sir.
See, listen. In the second field, you have message from Sahiti contact. Right click.
Sir, I'm getting somewhat break, sir.
Now you have to move from your place. Your background is lot of disturbances there.
Yeah, sir. Now is it fine?
At the top there is an option which says not junk. Click on that.
Okay.
That's all. Again, mark this also and make it as not junk. Now go to your inbox and check.
Sir, it is not selecting, sir, actually. To select here that it is not junk, it is not selecting for that.
Load the page once. Click right click on that.
Yeah, now it is. Okay, now I can check here. Is there any automation set that we can set here apart from before we done?
No. Click on inbox and check.
No, sir.
Check in your professional. It's loading. It's loading. Wait. Okay. Click on your professional email ID.
No, sir.
You haven't received it. Reload the
It
page.
is just here. It is just going to when it is not junk. It is just going to the inbox of hosting our mail,
You will
sir.
get it there. You will get it there. Wait for some time. You will also get it there. Try reloading the
Oh,
page.
okay, sir. I'll try.
Professional email ID will take little time, but you guys
Mm-hmm.
will get it.
Okay. Sir, why this is happening, sir? It is going to junk again. Again, it is moving when we do this not junk. It is coming to our professional mail here.
No, no,
Why
usually
it is
doesn't
happening, sir?
happen. Yeah, usually doesn't happen. Rare cases. Now, suppose if you are using any domains like online, dot shop, and all, it happens. Not all the time.
Okay.
But once we make it as not junk or not spam, it will reach your inbox.
Mm, yeah, got it. Got it.
Wait for some time and try reloading the page.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Meanwhile, I'll continue with the other things what you have just told.
Perfect.
Yes.
Sir, I'm sharing my screen.
Sorry.
Sir, this one I did.
Mm-hmm.
This this one was the email option, which I have created here.
Okay.
Email option. Then countdown timer I did.
Mm-hmm.
Here the lower one was the countdown, seats filling fast and countdown timer.
Right.
And after that, I did a divider.
Okay.
Following that, what I did is I explored the divider. The
Mm.
black one is the divider here.
Okay.
Email option I finished. Filterable portfolio, I think I had a problem. The yellow one is a filterable portfolio.
No, I explained. No, we are not learning that because
Okay, sir.
backend we did not add projects. So since we don't have projects,
Okay,
portable,
sir. I did.
filterable portfolio and portfolio, we are not learning. We're not using it.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir. So next, we have to come to gallery and add photos.
Huh. Add photos and add image and other options. Correct.
Okay, sir. I'll do this, sir.
Cool, sir. Cool, sir. Okay. So, Sahiti answer, what do you do? I'll stop here. Whatever the
Okay,
modules
sir.
that we have learned, please practice that completely. And also
Yeah,
practice the rest of the modules and come tomorrow. So tomorrow
sure, sir.
we will finish the website designing because I have to teach you the designing part. That's the only thing that is left out.
Yeah,
Once that is done, we will start implementing the template. Okay, and I'll give you good time to work on your website. And
yes,
yeah, so that you can practice it properly and let me know if you have any questions. Okay,
sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you.
fine. Take care, and we'll continue tomorrow then. Bye.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Sure.
So now we are creating a website, right? So if we want to build another website, for that again we need to create a website like under subdomain itself, no, sir?
If it is your own website, yes, you have a hosting account, you can create a subdomain and work. If it is for a
Mm.
different business and different people, you have to purchase a domain, activate under your hosting account, integrate the WordPress, then start working on it.
How many we can build a subdomain, sir, for under one website?
It depends on the plan, no? Because first day when we explored, if you open your Excel sheet, you will know. They would have written
Yes, yes, yes,
50 website, 30 website, 100 website, correct? So whichever plan
yes.
you have bought, that many website we can consider it.
Okay, under main, we but main is only one. But under main, we can have many sub websites. How many according to our plan? That
Yes,
is how, no,
according
sir?
to your hosting plan, you can have as many.
Okay, got it, got
It depends on the plan. Just explore your plan that you have bought. There they would
it.
have mentioned it. And again, now you can even ask me. Now let's say I'm building one website with 10 GB. And
Mm.
in that case, can I build 100 website? Answer is no. You have to understand the space also. Okay, because they would have given 100 website, but at the just below that they would have given 25 GB or 50 GB or 100 GB. Correct. It depends on your file sizes. Now you can't blame them tomorrow, boss. You said 100 website, and now you are asking to me build me only 50 website. How is that? Because you already consumed the space, right? Even space matters there.
Got it. Because my relatives, one of my relatives needed a website to be built for her own online business. So under this, can I do that? Or else I thought that
Yes.
I should delete this completely and I should start from scratch again.
No, wait. So whatever you are doing right now, do it for yourself fully. We all
Okay.
have incomplete knowledge right now. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
incomplete knowledge. So
Yeah.
practice a lot, do all the thousands of mistakes in your website and give them the best website possible.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. So she asked me after 2 months. So I told that I'm just a beginner in this. So I'm just exploring all the things. So meanwhile, after completing it, I'll delete my website and I'll start your website. I told her, sir.
No,
So meanwhile, again I got a doubt.
no, see, listen, tomorrow I'll be finishing the website, right? So
Yeah, sir.
after that, you guys can start taking others project and work for sure. You can make freelancing there.
Okay.
I
So it's like under subdomain.
No, again you're confusing. I told you very clearly, if it is your own website, okay?
Hmm.
Let's say Sahiti is having 10 different businesses. She can create a
Hmm.
subdomain and work. If it is for
Hmm.
someone else, now let's say
Hmm.
Shankar or Murthy is asking you to design a website. Ask them what business they are into. Now let's say they are into real estate. Now with your sahiti.com, what will they do? It will come as realestate.sahiti.com. Doesn't look good. Their brand name is different.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. I got it now. Now I got it, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Got it. Thanks for the clarification, sir.
No.
Got it now.
All the best then. Take care. Bye.
Yeah, sir. Bye. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, Sudhir, sir.